তো দেখা যায় না, ছোট 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 ছোট।
Try to talk in English.
Stop your mouth.
Okay.
এত কথা বলো কেন? হ্যাঁ, প্লিজ ক্লাস করা শুরু করেন।
Today we will discuss the canning process.
Canning. Page number.
Page number 467. Okay, what is canning process and why is so important? Actually, there are many foods like seasonal foods, mangoes, potatoes, carrot, tomatoes. They are grown in particular area or in a particular season. They are grown in plenty amount. Now, there were no preservative methods. The mango, that means that seasonal fruit or vegetables will be rotten and spoiled. That's why preservation is need. Man observed that some food items, vegetables, fish, meat, can be preserved for long time if they are boiled or kept in airtight cans. Your book is given air light. Maximum place is given air light. It's not correct. Correct will be air tight. Where there is no air, vacuum place. During boil, we know during boil, microbes are destroyed. This process is called canning process. That is, canning is a method of preserving food or vegetable in which food contents are processed and sealed in airtight container.
Saima, mic off karo.
কি?
Mic
There
off
are
karo.
4 methods for
মিউট করতে নিষেধ করছে।
সাইমা,
Yes, miss?
তোমার মিউট অপশনটা বন্ধ করে দাও, অফ করে দাও। অফ ইউর মিউট অপশন।
থেকে ফার্মের শব্দ আসতেছে।
Off your mute option. Okay. There are 4 methods for canning. They are canning after drying the food items in the sun, canning in sodium salt solution, sugar solution, or in vinegar solution. Vinegar solution means 5% acetic acid. Canning by making pickles. Canning by boiling the food items in hot water. All these above methods aim to stop the growth of microbes like bacteria, fungi, etc. When food items are dried in the sun or boiling in water, hot water, if the microbes are present in food, they are always will be destroyed. Next, cans. The cans are sterilized before introducing the sun-dried or boiled food into the cans, and cans are closed airtight. Table 5.9. Here is given a chart. Look, there are 3 columns. First column, second column, and third column. First column is given agriculture product. Mango, pineapple, jackfruit, banana, And third column is processed food. That means processed by that food. That means raw material, mango, pineapple, jackfruit. Mango, processed food is juice, mango bar, squash, pickles, jackfruit, also squash, jam, jelly. Milk, pasteurized, condensed milk, ghee, curd, etc. These are processed food and these are raw material. Now we'll discuss about canning process. That means food canning procedure. Figure 5.7. Can you see this? Here is given a flow diagram of canning process. Now we will discuss this flow diagram of canning process. First, collection of raw materials. Those foods are to be canned. First, the raw material from that foods have to collect and have to select uniform shape, color, smell, uniformly fresh and defectless foods or vegetable. That means raw material. Next, grading or selection. What is selections? In this process, unwanted parts of the vegetables foods are rejected and seeds of foods are eliminated, fat bones and ripe mangoes, that is ripe fruits, ripe vegetables are eliminated this process. Next, washing. Food items which are to be canned are washed well in pure water to remove dirty particles. Next, cutting into small pieces. The washed food items are cut into many different small pieces. Next, blanching. What is blanching? Heating of the food items in boiling water or in steam for 5 or 10 minutes. It's called blanching. In this process, unwanted smell, color becomes improved. Microbes are destroyed in blanching because in this process, food is boiled in boiling water. Next, fill up the sterilized cans. That means in this process, can have to prepare. The cans or pots where food items are to preserved are sterilized by heating them in boiling water for half an hour. And filling up means the food items after blanching are arranged in uniform way in the sterilized so that salt and sugar solution can reach each part of the food items and heat may be reached uniformly. The next is addition of sugar or salt solution. In this process, salt or sugar solutions is added to the cans. But here is conditions. Different foods, vegetables and need different preservations or different solutions. Like for vegetables, meat and fish, normally 7 to 15% sodium chloride aqueous solution is needed, and for foods 30 or 40% purified sucrose solution is needed. Here the sugar, salt act as preservatives. Here we also use ethanol, sodium benzoate, sodium nitrate, sulfur dioxide, etc. We can add it in this process. Next process is exhausting. Before sealing the can, the food items are again heated by special process. This process is known as exhausting. In this process, the air in the can is removed because the can will be airtight. That's why air removing is so necessary from the can. Next, sealing on can. Sealing, this process is very important for total process. This is highly technical process, and the success of this whole process depends upon the process of this sealing. In this process, after exhausting immediate sealing of the can with lid with very carefully, so that the can become fully airtight. Retorting. Retorting means after sealing the cans, the can again heated. It is called retorting. Here is also some condition. If the food are not acidic, that means the pH below 7. This type of food are heated at 121 degrees Celsius, 1.5. That means 1.5 an hour to 2 hours. And the food items is acidic are heated at 90 to 100 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. And this process, all microbes in the can are destroyed. Next is cooling. After retorting, the hot will be obviously hot. That's why these cans are cooled down to room temperature. Next, labeling. The cans are labeled with name of the food items, expiry date, manufacturing or packing date, etc. Then stock. Finally, the canned foods are stocked in a suitable place. It will be godowns, which is dry, cold, and dark. Then marketing. This is the flow diagram of canning process. At a glance, we see the mango canning process. In your book, there are some canning process, like some local fruits like mango, jackfruit, and some vegetable, tomato, potato, carrot, and fish and meat. You will read at your home, okay? Now I discussed about mango canning process. Look, first, what have I said? First process is collect raw materials. That means complete ripe mangoes are selected and washed in clean water. And the selection, that means the unnecessary part are removed. 2. Mangoes cut in small pieces by slider and stone is